Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel, Decor and DIY with Anita. Of course, I'm your girl Anita. Guys, I am in Target, my friends. I'm at the Target dollar spot and I'm looking at some cute fall decor. Guys, look at this cute little squirrel, guys. And this pumpkin canister is so pretty, guys. I almost got it. So pretty. And even the neutral color one beside is also nice as well, guys. Look at these jack-o'-lantern candy dish down here. I guess these are for Halloween, guys. Absolutely cute if you're into Halloween decor. These are absolutely beautiful for your Halloween decor. I love this, guys. Look at this cute. Look how well it matches with the canister. I believe this is like a little crock pot kind of thing. And I think it's even like oven safe as well. So it's really functional, both pretty and functional. I am surprised at the amount of cute and functional stuff they have in the Target dollar spot, guys. I was amazed. Yeah, I was. Comment down below if you're loving what you're seeing so far. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up and hype the video, my friends. It helps the channel out to allow more people to see the content and join in on the fun. These pillows are so cute, and these throw blankets are absolutely gorgeous. I love the burgundy, and the chocolate brown is so nice for fall, guys. So warm and cozy. These are the pumpkins, are also cute. I did not get any. I already picked up some in the Dollar Tree, so I didn't bother to get any. Now I might go back for those bigger pumpkins there. I wish I had gotten the brown one and the white one. Those are absolutely my color this year for fall. I'm thinking brown and burgundy. Maybe I drop some burnt orange in. Maybe not. I'm trying not to use the burnt orange because I feel like every year I use orange because it's a traditional fall color, but I really want to change it up this year. But guys, look how cute these little wooden little I think you could put your K-cups in these by your coffee bar. Absolutely cute, guys. I am loving the Target dollar spot this fall season. They came out with some spanking new decor for fall, and I am loving it. And the prices are great. They're like $3, $5. Good prices, guys. I did got me a few stuff, and I'm gonna have to show you that in a haul in another video. This is so cute. Look at that cute tray right there. OMG, guys. I was just like, to be honest with you, I went in the store. Look at this cutting board. Now look at this. This is so cute. I went in the store and I had to take a look for myself first before I pulled the camera out. But I wasn't going to leave until I pulled that camera out because there was so much content and I want y'all to see it. So listen, if you have a Target close to you, do not walk. Run to the Target dollar spot now before these cute stuff are sold out, because I'm sure they're not gonna last. So if you have a Target close to you, my friends, run to the Target dollar spot. Look at this. Now look at this picture for only $3. Amazing. And it's screaming fall. I love that vintage look. It just looks so warm, and I feel like for fall you should go with like a warm kind of cozy kind of decor, because that's when the weather starts to get chilly. And these decor, they're just like amazing, guys. Look at these little pumpkin little, I don't know what they're called. They're like little trays, but how cute, guys, how cute, guys. I'm not gonna be doing any more talking. Let me just get a hold of myself and get off right now. I want y'all to just sit back and just take it all in. Just take it all in. After you take it all in, run to the store, okay? Because trust me, you're going to see the stuff that you're going to want, and the prices are so good. Okay, so let me put some music on for your listening pleasures, my friend. Don't forget to give this a big thumbs up and hype the video. Drop your comments down below. Let me know which piece was your favorite as well, guys. Watch until the end to see what I have in store for you at the end, guys. I'm telling you, you're gonna be blown away to see the cute decor that they have in the back. Yeah. OMG, my friends. Take a look at these cute pieces. How adorable, how cute this is. This is like a shabby chic. So if you're into the shabby chic farmhouse decor, this is for you. This is for you, my friends. This is for you. This is perfect for all year round. All year round, this is perfect for, I'm thinking Valentine, I'm thinking Easter time, I'm thinking just all year round. If you're a farmhouse shabby chic kind of girl, this is for you. How cute. Even if you're not a farmhouse shabby chic decorator, it's still for you. It's just cute. It is just cute, and the prices are phenomenal. Yeah, it's just cute. So guys, I had to show you this, and I hope you guys watched until the end and made it up to this far. If you do, drop me some hearts in the comment section. Drop me some pink hearts, yeah, in the comment section if you made it up to this far. Now I've went ahead and I've inserted some pictures for you, so do enjoy, and until next time, be creative and be blessed. I'll definitely catch you in the next video. Don't forget the thumbs up and hype, share and comment. Bye bye.